Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the eBay app on your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. This is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then on the search bar, type eBay and press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now all you have to do is tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. So basically, eBay is an online shopping platform. It is not only a shopping platform but also a selling platform. So you can use this app if you want to buy anything or any items online, and also you can sell your items online. The app is really convenient to use and is time saving as well. The app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds. And the app has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.